Hello, I'm Jess and it's day 7 of our 2026 Sallie Tomato Co unboxing. Let's see what today's special item is. Day 7. This item will let you go hands-free while gazing over the vast blue sky. It's also a perfect fit for day 2 or day 14 items. Connect and share your creations with hashtag Sallie Tomato Co. This is a brand new Sallie Tomato pattern named Jack Stand. It's a useful mini pattern that was designed by Jennifer Reinke, who is one of our team editors and sewists. This project is for an easy-to-sew phone holder that is the perfect cushion for your phone. It can be customized for a variety of styles through your fabric and optional hardware selection. Plus, with the pattern, we included the rice used for the weighted filling in your project. The Jack Stand pattern is a quick sew and is a fun project that you can make to gift to almost anyone that you know. Since this project is for non-wovens, you could get started making it today with some of the fabric options you've already uncovered in the previous unboxing days, or use scraps from your stash. We'd love to see your creations. Use the hashtag Sallie Tomato and hashtag Sallie Tomato Co on social media so we can see it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss out on any future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you make with the Mariner Compass supplies.